Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the Ray-Ban smart glasses. So I got this box today. We're going to open it up. We're going to see what we got here. Got this from Amazon. I'll put the price later on so you can see how much this cost. So here we have the Ray-Ban glasses, the smart glasses. I like the box. Nice and small, not big. I think it's about a foot long. Looks great. I mean, great design from the outside. It's got some nice logos. Okay, you could get this on Amazon for $3.29, as you can see on the picture. Let's open it and see what it's got. I like that, what it says. Listen, call, upstream. Nice and tucked in there. Wow, I like the case. Case looks very nice, and then the way it sits on the box, pretty good idea, whoever came out with this invention. Oh, look, the light turns on. There's a USB-C, and there are the glasses. It's kind of strange because I couldn't get the glasses out, so you just gotta be careful to press those two buttons in the middle, right there. It looks like almost like leather from the inside. Wow, the glasses look like, they don't even look like it has a camera built in, so they're pretty neat. And they're not even heavy. Looks perfect size. And look at that. I like the camera. You know, it's well built in there. The logo. I mean, the color of it looks nice. And then you got that power button there. Right there. And then you have this another button in top on the right hand side. The lenses look clear. I like it. Easy to take and travel. Now you could get this from actually you could get the amp. There's a meta amp there. As you can see in the bottom, there's a home button, and then that home button you could actually it's kind of hard because I have some light on top of that, but as you can see right there, then it's got that media setting, that icon. That's where you record and pictures go there. And then you got some informative stuff in there. You got your settings. On the settings, you got your privacy and glasses. If you press on it, it talks about the privacy. Then you got your awake. You got your voice, your camera settings, how long you want to record it, 15 seconds, 30 seconds to 1 minute, calling and messaging. Then you have WhatsApp. You can connect that. You have your music setting there too. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. And then you have support there. See if you're if you have any questions on that, on privacy and your settings and all that stuff. And then it's got your gallery setting. Nice. So let's go back and check the other one. And then this one's glass update. If you want to turn on your glass update, your Wi-Fi, your amp information, data. And then in the top you have an icon. It says if you're connected to the glasses. So as you can see, it's not connected right now. But as soon as you bring the glasses out of the case, you'll notice it'll connect to the phone automatically. And you'll see the phone paired with the glasses right now. Give it a few seconds and you'll see that. See, it's connected. And then it tells you 100%. And it also tells you how much power the case has. So there you go back to the gallery. This is where your pictures will end up and your videos. You could delete it from the top. And then you go back to the information center. Back to the settings and back to home. And these are just ideas that they give you and how to use them. So it's got a whole bunch of videos and information. But you know, it's got a lot of information. I like it. I like the settings for the video. It just syncs in and you can import it back into your phone. So it records on the amp